Introducing the SA Toddler Busy Board Montessori Toys, the perfect blend of fun and learning for your little ones. Designed for children aged 1 to 4 years old, these sensory boards offer a wide range of educational activities to enhance fine motor skills and cognitive development. Whether it's buttoning, buckling, or lacing, each interactive feature provides hours of entertainment and learning. Ideal for both boys and girls, these busy boards make great gifts for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. Their compact size also makes them perfect travel companions for keeping your little ones entertained on long journeys, whether by airplane or car. With SA Toddler Busy Board Montessori Toys, you can rest assured that your child's playtime is not only fun but also enriching. Invest in their future today with these engaging and educational toys. Introducing the Leapfrog Learning Friends 100 Words Book in Green, the interactive learning tool that brings words to life for your little one. Packed with vibrant illustrations and engaging activities, this book helps toddlers expand their vocabulary while exploring the world around them. With 100 words to discover, each page is a new adventure filled with fun and learning. Designed to encourage curiosity and build early literacy skills, the Learning Friends 100 Words book is perfect for children aged 18 months to 4 years old. Whether it's learning about animals, food, or everyday objects, this interactive book makes language learning exciting and accessible. With its durable construction and portable design, the Learning Friends 100 Words book is perfect for on-the-go learning, whether at home or on the road. Help your child embark on a journey of discovery with the Leapfrog Learning Friends 100 Words book, where every page is a new opportunity to learn and grow. Introducing the Water Doodle Mat, the magical canvas for young artists to explore their creativity. This innovative toy allows kids aged 2 to 7 to paint, write, and draw with water, creating colorful masterpieces without any mess. With its large surface area and vibrant colors, the Water Doodle Mat provides endless opportunities for imaginative play and artistic expression. Featuring magic pens that only work with water, this educational toy is not only fun but also promotes fine motor skills, hand-eye coordination, and cognitive development. It's the perfect gift for toddlers and young children, inspiring hours of creative play and learning. With its portable and mess-free design, the Water Doodle Mat is ideal for use at home, on playdates, or even on the go. Watch as your child's imagination comes to life on this magical drawing surface. Give the gift of creativity with the Water Doodle Mat, where every stroke brings joy and excitement. Introducing the Montessori Busy Book for Toddlers, packed with engaging pre-K preschool activities for children ages 3 and up. Designed to enhance cognitive skills, sensory exploration, and fine motor abilities, each page offers interactive learning experiences. Perfect for children with autism or sensory needs, and ideal for kindergarten-aged kids, this versatile book is a valuable resource for parents, teachers, and caregivers. Dive into enriching educational adventures at home, in the classroom, or on the move with the Montessori Busy Book. Introducing Tomia 200 Pieces Building Blocks, the ultimate STEM educational toy for preschoolers aged 3 and up. This set of interlocking solid plastic discs sparks creativity and enhances cognitive development in both boys and girls. With 200 pieces to play with, kids can explore endless building possibilities while honing their fine motor skills and spatial reasoning. Crafted from safe materials, parents can rest assured that their children are playing with non-toxic and durable toys. Whether it's constructing towering structures or creating imaginative shapes, Tomia building blocks inspire hours of educational fun. Bring out the little architect in your child and watch their creativity soar with Tomia building blocks. Introducing the National Geographic Magic Chemistry Set, a captivating science kit designed to ignite curiosity and exploration in kids aged 8 to 12. With 10 amazing magic tricks, STEM projects, and science experiments, this set offers endless opportunities for hands-on learning and discovery. From creating mesmerizing potions to mastering mind-bending illusions, children can delve into the fascinating world of chemistry while honing their problem-solving skills and creativity. Whether they're budding scientists or aspiring magicians, this set provides hours of educational fun. Perfect for both boys and girls, it makes an excellent gift for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. Exclusively available on Amazon, the National Geographic Magic Chemistry Set is sure to inspire wonder and excitement in young minds everywhere.